Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the AV for the next category of awards, please?
The HRM Nepal Awards for Corporate Excellence 2024 in association with Encel Manufacturing Company. Nominees are Panchakanya, Himalayan Distillery Limited, Shivam Cement Limited.
And here we're waiting for the name of the winner.
The award goes to Shivam Cement Limited in manufacturing category.
Shivam Cement Limited, ladies and gentlemen. Winning the manufacturing category of the HRM Nepal Award for Corporate Excellence 2024. Thank you so much for leading the way here in Nepal. We tonight honor Shivam Cements for excelling in producing high quality products, contributing to the country's industrial growth. Many congratulations again for your exceptional work in the manufacturing sector. Your dedication and quality and innovation certainly has been a driving force to industrial growth here in Nepal. Many congratulations to the Shivam Cement family.